There's a car coming.
Using a pruning saw to trim off
My wife, let's just look at it again.
so they just
Ain't bound for nowhere, fed up with gambling. I'm too tired to speak. Well, hey there, gambler. Speaking of gambler, maybe I didn't talk about pretty gals. We've got a carload of them too, don't we already? All right. And knowing what to keep, with every hand to win, every hand to lose, and the most that you can hope for is to die in your sleep.
They're $8 each, sir.
Okay.
That's 8 for each of us right there. What I'm thinking right there. Hey, you got some wine. You want some wine, little buddy? All right. There you go. Little test ride. Oh, look at that. You guys got lots of money. I'm sorry to make sure.
Right?
you never know. They just don't feel like
And you'll have a nice close, that last section that we go.
Let me go ahead and turn around here, sir, so you can see this. Wait a minute, don't take a shot yet.